Clamex connectors are removable furniture connectors which can be used with a material thickness of 12 mm and more. They are characterized by their dismountability, their aesthetics, the high clamping force, the possibility to stack with installed connector as well as by their enormous versatility. This versatility is demonstrated by the fact that compared to other connectors on the market, we can connect all mitres from 22.5 to 180 degrees with the Clamex connectors. Starting with 16 mm or 5/8 inch material thickness. Using Clamex and the setup P2, a corner joint with two connectors can be created within 50 seconds. In addition to the standard Clamex connector, we also offer a connector for dividers, which can be used from a material thickness of 16 mm or 5/8 inch, as well as Clamex connector in a CNC version. The Clamex P-14 CNC differs in the packaging quantities and the lower lateral tolerance due to the precise machining of a CNC machine.